Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to upload a video to Canva. It's a quick and simple process that unlocks endless creative possibilities for your designs, from social media posts to presentations. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. If you don't have one yet, head over to canva.com and sign up. It's free and only takes a minute. On the left-hand sidebar, click on the Uploads button. It's the one that looks like a cloud with an upward arrow. This is where you can upload not just videos but also images and audio files. Inside the Uploads panel, click on Upload Files. A dialog box will appear where you can choose the video from your computer. Canva support most common video formats, so compatibility usually isn't an issue. Once selected, hit Open. You'll see a progress bar showing the upload status. Depending on your internet speed and video size, this might take a few moments. After the upload finishes, your video will appear in the Uploads panel. To use it, simply drag and drop it onto your canvas or any template. From here, you can resize, crop, and position it however you like. Now comes the creative part. You can layer text, add graphics, or apply effects to make your video even more engaging and professional. And that's it. Uploading videos to Canva is quick and easy, giving you full freedom to create standout designs. Thanks for watching and happy designing.